Are you looking to buy that dream home and just not finding it on the market? Well, in case you didn't know, there may be a better way to look at things. Okay, so I know you're asking, well, Diana, what does that mean, a better way to look at things? Well, in case you didn't know, there's programs out there that allow you to renovate a property when you purchase it. It allows you to build all of that in to your initial mortgage. So when you're looking at that property, maybe the problem is not the property itself, it's just the kitchen or the bathroom. Maybe if the bedroom needs a little refreshing, add a second bath to the bedroom. Maybe these are some of the things that would now take that property that's currently on the market and make it your perfect home. So if that's the situation, step back a second, take a different set of eyes on it when you're looking at it and say, what if? What if I could put the pool in? What if I could have that kitchen I want with the center island? Would that work in this property? And maybe that can help you get into that new dream home quicker than you thought. So, interested in what that has to look like for you? Interested in how that could work? Give me a call today. Let's see what the vision looks like for you.